everyone, my name is Rihanna and welcome to my channel. I used two different colored curly goddess faux locks. The locks are leftover hair I had from when I did these styles last year, and both of the different colored locks are 18 inches. This hair is from the ZRQ store on Amazon. The locks are colored 350, and I had 2 packs of this hair left, so about 32 synthetic locks. The locks come pre-looped and are a vibrant copper red color, and all of them have curly pieces of hair. Some locks have 2, a curly strand at the top of the lock and 1 at the bottom, while others have 3, a curly strand at the top and middle of the lock and 1 at the bottom. And as you can see, the brown locks follow the same curl pattern or design. Now, I believe these locks are color 1B/T30, but I'm not sure who these locks are from. Again, this is leftover hair from a style I did last year, and I had about 3 packs or 70 of these locks left. So to start off my hair, I braided it into individual braids. And when parting my hair, I like to make sure that each part for a braid falls in between the middle of 2 other braids like this, creating this kind of formation. This makes my braids look neater, fuller, and helps to let me know how big each section should be. And to start braiding my hair, I use a small amount of Shine and Jam on my roots, and then I just smooth it in. This helps to make my roots look shinier and a little better. Then I use a medium-sized amount of this twisting cream. You can use any cream you like though, and I put it throughout my hair. This helps to make my hair feel softer, more hydrated, makes it look a little shinier as well, and moisturizes it a little, or at least I think so. And then I separate the hair I'll be braiding into 3 parts, and I just begin braiding my hair all the way down. And at the end of the braid, I create a little curl with my finger to kind of just seal the braid. So this is how my braids turned out. I did about 90 individual braids. I usually only do 70, so I think I did too many braids this time. So I ended up spacing my braids out a little more at the top of my head once I realized I was making the parts too small, because I wanted to make sure I had enough locks to do my hair. But it took me about 8 hours to braid my hair. I'm not the fastest braider, and it takes me a lot of time to part my hair, but I do like the way they turn out. Just felt like I should have made the parts a little bigger. And this is how my hair looked after I used the 2 packs of color 350 locks that I had left. And I ended up doing this pattern when I was crocheting the hair. I'd use a lock with 2 curly strands of hair, then one with 3, and then another one with 2 again, and then so on. So the pattern was like 2, 3, 2, 3, you know. Hope that makes sense. So to crochet the hair, I'd take the braid that I'd be using, grab the goddess lock, grab the lock, and open its pre-loop up by sticking my pointer finger in it. Then I would grab my crochet hook and insert it underneath the start of the braid. Next, I'd attach the lock to the crochet hook and pull it a few inches through. Then I'd unhook the crochet hook, open up the pre-loop some more, grab my braid and lock and pull them through the pre-loop together. Then I would pull on the lock and braid to tighten the knot I just created at the root. Next, I'd take my crochet hook and insert it into the center of the lock a few inches down from the start of the lock and make my way to the top of it. Once I push the crochet hook all the way through the top of the lock, I would attach the middle or end of my braid to the crochet hook and just pull it all the way through. Then I would twist the lock up and down around the braid to tighten the lock and better hide the braid as well. And I would just repeat those steps with the remaining braid that still needed to be hidden.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby.
I use this Style Factor edge booster and my edge brush to do my baby hairs. And this is how my hair turned out. I think it's really cute, something different for me. The hair is very full, but not that heavy. And it took me about 6 hours to crochet the hair. So all in all, this style took me about 14 hours to do. I also want to mention that I use a large trifold mirror when I do my hair. If anyone wants to see it, just let me know and I can add a video of it in my next video. Also, I feel like I should have put 3 color 350 locks on each side of my hair near my ears. Maybe next time I do this peekaboo style, I'll do that. And the color 350 locks had this corn chip smell to them. But the brown locks didn't really have a smell and they were a little thicker and easier to crochet. It was also easier for my hair to blend with the brown locks since, you know, my hair is a darker color. And since I've used these locks before, I know for a fact that the curly hair does tangle after a few days. So you may want to go in with mousse or another product and put it on the curls to help them stay looking fresher longer and not get as tangled. The curls really do tend to get tangled in the back as well. But goddess locks are one of my go-to styles. I do love them. And let me know what you guys thought of this style and any other hairstyles you want to see from me. And as always, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.